Hi lovers, today we are making this delicious pasta and also I will show you how I made the sauce used into this. To start the sauce, I cut onions and tomatoes, then I blended it. After blending, I put the sauce into a pot. And if you watch my recent video, you will know about the sauce I'm using here. I made two type of sauce and this is the second sauce I'm using on this menu. And to know about all the ingredients, I will ask you to check the description box and you will see all the ingredients used in this video. The way we made this pasta is a very different way and I'm asking you to watch this video until the end because whatever we did into this video on this menu, honestly, it's very different and is not the regular pasta. I've made pasta before, but this is a very different way. So I will ask you to watch this video until the end so you can understand and know what we did. Thank you, and I will ask you to stay where you are and watch this video and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.